In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get Restream chat notification. So if you're asking how to use chat notification in Restream, meaning when someone comments on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, etc., you get notified and optionally show it on screen. Here's how to do it. First of all, go to restream.io/chat, and this is the official chat dashboard for Restream. Here you can download the Restream chat for desktop, or you can just click on open in browser and make sure you have signed into your account using your Restream account. Then click on these settings at the bottom right corner, and here you have to click on appearance, and here you get notification. Just click on that and enable all notifications from here, and then click on embed in stream, and here we can see the Restream chat preview. You can change your chat theme from here, just like this. Here you'll get bunch of different theme. You can just go ahead and pick any of the theme, and you can also adjust message alignment, message background opacity. You can change chat background opacity, and then all you have to need, here you get embed chat link. Just copy the embed chat link from here, and then go to your encoder. It could be OBS, it could be Streamlabs, or any other encoder. Just go ahead and open the encoder. And now to get your Restream chat notifications on your encoder, just come to sources box and click on this plus icon, select browser, and paste here your Restream chat encoder code and click on OK. And here we can see I've successfully added my Restream chat. So now on, whenever you start a live stream from your Restream and you receive any comments or messages, those message and notifications comments will be appear on your encoder app. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.